Hey, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Your Review Channel, where we're dedicated to do things for you, learn, and understand how things work. Two main things we all want to know is what does it cost and what does it do? That's what we all want to know as consumers. So I do appreciate you tuning in for this episode. It's about changing a high-efficiency air filter in your home. Now before we get to the video, I'd like you to also, very important, to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit, and I do appreciate that. Let's get to the video. Okay, so as you can see, I ordered a 2-pack online. These are a fantastic filter. Aprilaire is the name of the brand. This filter is a high-efficiency filter. It does odor, removes pet odor, cooking odor. It's got a Merv rating of 13, which is pretty high. It's got a charcoal activation back, which helps remove all the odors and all the smells and everything. It's really a fantastic quality filter. I ordered a 2-pack. It's less expensive that way. Save a little bit of money. Instead of buying one, I figure I change them once a year. They recommend every 6 months possibly, but I say once a year is fine. And as you can see, it removes pet and cooking odors, captures most common VOCs, pollen, mold, bacteria, dust mites, dust. This is a really high-end filter. I mean, you can't go wrong. It covers most things, pollen, pollution. It's a great filter. Let's get back to the video.
What it looks like. Pull the old cover off. It comes off fairly easy. And we'll pull it out. And basically, it's just pull it straight out. You can see that, and you can see it's pretty nasty. And it's almost like an accordion, how it comes in the box. You can see how it comes in a box. That's all squished together, and you open it up like an accordion. Okay, and that's how you install it. It's pretty easy to install. It has a couple of grooves here that you fit into the grooves, and if you can see here, it is pretty bad. This is just about a year. Let me see if you can see. It is filthy with dust and dirt. There's a charcoal in the back, the charcoal filter. It shows you the airflow. You can see the airflow goes down, so you just make sure you follow the dust is blowing everywhere. You make sure you just follow the arrow down where it goes the airflow in your system. And if you can look closely, I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty nasty. So it does its job. It's just pretty disgusting. So let's just put this to the side. All right, to the side. It's pretty clean inside. Yep, looks good. Now. Alright, take it out of the box, and I'll put the old one back in the box, and we'll dispose of that properly. And let's take a look at the new one together so we can see what the new one looks like. I really do like these quality products. They really work well. I try to stick with the brand a lot of times when you're dealing with high efficiency air filters. Again, you can see here where it says the arrow. Let's take a look at this one together. You can see how nice and clean this is. There's a huge difference. I don't know if you can. I'm going to try to do a comparison shot if you can see it. It's kind of hard because it's so big, but you can see the huge difference. 1 second. So you can see the difference. I mean, one is white and one is nasty. So hopefully you can see the difference of these two filters. This is a year, literally a year. So we live in New England, and the heat is on most of the winter. I would say maybe 4 straight months the heat is on, pretty much 4 to 5 months. And then the AC is not as much, depending on how cool you like it, so it doesn't run as much. So between the blending of the hot and the cold weather, we get a year out of it. So that's how I calculate. They say 6 months, but I say you can get a year out of these filters, no problem. So all you have to do is slide it back into the same position. Very easy. There's a couple little notches here. You just hook up to the notches. Get it inside. And get it to the notch. Make sure you got the airflow going down, as you can see here. One notch here. And you just slide it. You see how it just connects. And you basically just slide it in all the way in. There we go. Okay. Then you take your cover, which is all high quality cover. So it's got this is the genuine cover. It's got to make sure the lining here, the gasket is all in good condition, which it is. It gives you the model number here, so it's here, right? the replacement 210 or 213, Merv 11 or Merv 13. So you went with the Merv 13, which is a little bit better quality. I like that one. And we just pop the sucker back on. That's it. That is how you change it. Real simple. Alright. Any questions or comments, please leave below. I hope you like this quick tutorial. I know it wasn't a very long one. It was just very simple how to change the air filter. A lot of people are just nervous to do it themselves. You can order these online. I'll leave a link below. Some companies charge $100 each for these. I think I got two set of two for like $150, something like that. So you save yourself $50. You do it yourself. It takes no time at all. I order the genuine parts. You make sure you get the right numbers that match. And I like to use the carbon filter, like I said, because it helps with the odor, eliminate, especially if you have any allergies in the family or any kind of health conditions or any kind of respiratory situation. This is a much better filter in general to use. So that's the wrap for me. This is the old filter. As you can see, it is pretty nasty. It definitely did its job. It definitely was worth the money, as far as I'm concerned. So again, any questions or comments, leave below. Anything that you want me to review, that you want me to look at for you or to help you with, leave a comment below. Please subscribe, please share, and please like this video. It does help me out quite a bit, as you all know, and I do appreciate your time. So once again, thanks for tuning in, and you make it a great day.